Imagine covering your property with 12 cameras, recording in 4K, and still having room for 4 more cameras. Sounds expensive, right? This ZOSI system might surprise you. This is the ZOSI 2258, a 16-channel 4K PoE security system built around a network video recorder with a 4TB security-grade hard drive. Inside the package, you get 12 outdoor, indoor, 8-megapixel PoE cameras, 12 60-foot Ethernet cables, mounting kits, a USB mouse, and the NVR power supply. And because these are PoE cameras, the Ethernet connection handles the camera connection to the system, so this is a wired setup, not a wireless camera kit. Each camera has a listed 110-degree viewing angle, while the system also lists features like two-way audio, app control, audio recording, automatic overwrite, and high-efficiency video coding. But here's the part I wouldn't ignore. The Amazon listing currently shows 4.2 out of 5 stars. That's good, but a rating isn't the same thing as a guarantee. And there's another interesting detail. The NVR supports 16 channels, while this package includes 12 cameras, so there's capacity for 4 additional channels. So is the ZOSI 2258 a scam? This Amazon listing doesn't prove that, and I wouldn't call it one without independent evidence. What it does show is a substantial 12-camera 4K PoE package with a 4TB drive and a 4.2-star rating. Check the reviews before you buy and decide if this is the security system your property actually needs.